Hello everybody, Mr. Oscar here, and today I wanted to show you guys how to replicate a simple experiment utilizing vinegar, balloons, water bottles, and baking soda to form a what, Jackson?
Chemical reaction.
Chemical reaction. Alright, so here we go. So for our experiment, Jackson wanted to see what would happen if we added more baking soda compared to vinegar the first time around. So we're gonna add 2 tablespoons of vinegar. With my help, here you go, Mr. Jackson. And it's okay if it spills out, it spills over a little bit. Well, that's a lot.
That was good, right?
Correct, dude. All right, good job, Mr. Jackson. And for our vinegar, we are going to fill it up to the first line right here. Okay, so now that we have our vinegar and our baking soda and our balloon ready to go, we have to make our guess. So what's the scientific guess called, Jackson?
Hypothesis.
A hypothesis. So we guess that this one's gonna make it get really big. Jackson seems to think that the more baking soda will make it grow bigger. So we shall see. Alrighty.
Here we go.
Here we go. All right, you put the balloon on, you shake it up really well, and you let it take place.
Oh.
So the gas that is forming inside is a form of carbon dioxide. Ooh, Jackson, it did not blow up as large as we thought it was going to blow up. But it's okay.
What about we add more vehicle and
Like an experiment, we decided we're just gonna double the ingredients because our first balloon, not the greatest. So Jackson, this time, let's do it. Come on.
4 tablespoons.
4 tablespoons. Let's make it happen. And it's okay if a little bit spills out, guys. Baking soda is gonna make a little bit of a mess, but it's okay. See? Oh, so we'll add a little bit more at the end. Go ahead, Jackson. We have our things ready now. We have our vinegar and our baking soda. So now we have to give our second guess. What's the scientific guess again?
An hypothesis.
An hypothesis. All right. So what's your hypothesis for this one?
It will grow bigger and better than the last balloon.
That's a great guess. Alrighty. So let's see what happens. All right, let's mix it in. Oh! What happened? See, we were wrong. You know what happened? We added way too much vinegar, and it went inside the balloon. So I think what we learned today is more baking soda, less vinegar is going to create a bigger gas, right?
Yeah.
Alrighty.
Thank you guys. See you next time.
See you guys next time for our next science experiment next week.